Yo, what's up? We're about to do our plants and pollinator vlog. We're gonna look for four things. We're gonna look for a seedless non-vascular plant, a seedless vascular plant, a naked seed, and a flowering plant. So let's go. Since we're outside now, can't really find things in order. So boom, hibiscus. This is a flowering plant.
So, just like this hibiscus, flowering plants in general have bright colors, strong scents, and sweet nectar to attract pollinators. Also known as angiosperms, all angiosperms have flowers at some point in their life. The flowers serve as the reproductive organs of this plant, providing them a means of exchanging, their genetic information. Angiosperms here have small pollen grains that spread genetic information from flower to flower. This small size allows the process of fertilization to occur quicker in the flower of angiosperms and makes them more efficient at reproduction.
Say bye-bye to our friend the hibiscus. Bye-bye.
Later. So yeah, about the flowering plant, I couldn't really dissect the petal because my mom didn't let me touch her plant. But we could talk about the pollinator species. For my prediction, after I stood there for 10 minutes looking at it, I didn't really see any pollinator species come by, but I'm assuming bees would probably come by and pollinate the plant. Hibiscus it's a bright color. They smell good. And we have a lot of bees in the area, so most likely bees would be the pollinator species of the plant.
Okay, so this right here, this is a pine tree, and right there is an example of a naked seed. Pine tree has a naked seed, also known as gymnosperms. Gymnosperms have seeds, but they do not produce fruit. Instead, the seeds of gymnosperms are usually found in cones, like the pine tree.
An example of a female cone.
There you go. Okay, right there we have a horsetail. Wow.
Now, a horsetail is an example of a seedless vascular plant. Some general information about seedless vascular plants like the horsetail. These type of plants produce spores instead of seeds, have tube-like structures, can live further away from water. Vascular seedless plants have vascular tissue, which is a specialized tissue that transports water and nutrients to the plant. Okay, talking about horsetails. Horsetails have hollow rib stems and are often found in marshes. Curls of tiny leaves around the stem can make the plant look like a horse's tail, but these soon fall off and leave a hollow stem that can also perform photosynthesis. Bye-bye to horsetails.
Alright, we have one more. Oh, look, there's more horsetails. Wow. Okay, I don't really want to go down there, but that's moss. Yeah, pretty cool. Moss is an example of that's right, a seedless non-vascular plant. So let me explain.
So first, let's start off with general information about seedless non-vascular plants. Only a few cells thick. Each cell absorbs directly from its environment. No more than a few centimeters tall, for these type of plants. These plants also produce spores rather than seeds to reproduce. And furthermore, these seedless non-vascular plants are actually considered pioneer species. Pioneer species are defined as, the first type of species to grow in an area. So you have a basic understanding of seedless non-vascular plants. Let's talk about this moss. So the moss that you can
see there, yeah. Mosses are most often recognized as green fuzz on damp rocks and trees in a forest. So you don't really have a forest there. Let's see. If you look closely, you will see that most mosses have tiny stem-like and leaf-like structures. I'm not gonna go down there, but you could, imagine. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay. I'm tired. This is a good day.
Okay, let's go ahead and recap. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys, my personal thoughts about the plants and pollinator vlog. I thought it was pretty cool. I get to finally apply what I learned in class to, the real world. Because now, instead of, going outside and looking at a plant being like, I don't know what that is. Now I could be like, hey, that's a non-vascular plant, or that's a naked seed, or that's a flowering plant, whatever. I thought it was pretty fun too. So now I could show off to my friends and stuff like that, so pretty cool. But most importantly, I could apply what I learned in bio. So hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Good luck.